Stationery is an area where you can upload and download documents which you need access to from time to time, such as promotional and marketing material, product brochures, and application forms. This resource also allows you to upload your own documents, share them with others, as well as download those placed here by the product provider or other members of your admin department. The Providers section, here, lists all the documents placed on the system by the product providers. You can sort them in the drop-down, here, either alphabetically or by the date added. In the Providers section, here, you will find some titles in blue and some in black. The titles in blue indicate that the product provider uses Broker Back Office and has placed documents here for your convenience. If you click on the provider's name, you will find a set of folders shared by the provider underneath. When you select a file in a folder, you will have the option to view or download the documents within it in the drop-down on the right-hand side. Here. Any other documents on the system in the next column, here, are uploaded either by you or other members of your admin department. Folders and documents are organized by their color. To add a folder, click on your folder of choice, and then click Add a new folder, here. When adding a folder or document, you will be asked to make it public, shared, or private. A public folder or document will appear in green. The color green shows that the document has been made available to everyone in your organization. A blue or shared document or folder is made available just to those that use the broker level of Broker Back Office. And a red or private folder or document can only be viewed by the person who uploaded it. Green or public folders can contain public, shared, or private documents, and blue folders can contain shared or private documents. Red folders can, of course, only contain red or private documents. To upload a document, click on your folder of choice and then simply select Add File, and then choose a document from your hard drive to upload. When you upload, you will be given the option to make it public, here, shared, here, or private, here. In the tab Others, here, you can create any sort of folder you want that's not product provider specific. To add a new folder, select Add a new folder, here. While there is a delete option, here, this only works for empty folders. Finally, there are two things that you can attend to in the settings. Select Stationery in Settings. Here you can select your default product provider. This means that if you select Friends Provident International, for example, as your product provider, the first folders you will see when you return to the main Stationery tab are Friends Providence. First, you need to click Save. And here we have Friends Provident. Secondly, if we return to the Stationery settings, and in the Layout drop-down, you can amend your layout to horizontal. So, when we return to the Stationery tab after saving, we will have this environment instead. Here. When we go back, also notice how the Friends Provident folders appears here by default. Here. You have now completed the Stationery instructional video. Thank you for using Broker Back Office. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us in the chat box during normal UK office hours.